Hello everyone, my name is Ilhama. Many of you have been curious and concerned about the rapid spread of the coronavirus in China. Since the growing number of coronavirus cases continues to increase, many countries have evacuated their citizens from China in order to prevent their citizens from being infected. So far, there has been over 34,000 people who have been infected and over 720 deaths. And unfortunately, according to the reports, there have been confirmed cases of coronavirus from 27 countries outside of China. These numbers tell us just how highly contagious the coronavirus can be. You may already be aware of all those information I just mentioned, but what you may not know is before the transportation system was shut down by the government in Wuhan, and the city of Wuhan, where the virus was originated, there has been over 13,000 people who traveled to Urumqi within 3 weeks. Urumqi, which is the capital city of the Uyghur region. And after flying to Urumqi, people have been traveled further to other cities in Uyghur region. And on January 23rd, all flights were canceled from Wuhan to other cities in China very early in the morning, but except to Urumqi and to Hong Kong, which the flights were canceled in very last minute. Because of these, many people were able to fly to Urumqi, and which has resulted in more than 39 confirmed cases of coronavirus. It takes 14 days for symptoms to show if someone is infected by coronavirus. So it is very likely that there may be way more cases in the near future. Because of the spread of coronavirus in the Uyghur region, it could hit the concentration camps, which could be disastrous and lead to thousands and even millions of deaths. It's very concerning for the coronavirus to spread to the concentration camp because of their overcrowded and unsanitary, with the cramped conditions, poor hygiene, and poor medical support, and bad immune systems. The spread of the coronavirus in the camps can potentially escalate the suffering of the Uyghurs, thousands or millions of Uyghurs, as I mentioned. And I'm sure after hearing all this, you're very concerned now, and you're wondering what you can do to help. You can reach out to WHO by signing the petition, or you can call or email, whichever is convenient for you. You can also call your local government officials to send delegations and medical teams and medical equipments to Urumqi and other cities in the Uyghur region to evaluate, examine, and treat the patients of coronavirus from inside and outside of the camps. And most importantly, let them shut down the camps and let the Uyghur people who are in camps to go back home. Also, if you have an Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook account, please post a photo of yourself holding a hashtag, close the camp, and WHO to Urumqi. Your help will be greatly appreciated by the entire Uyghur community inside and outside of China. Thank you very much.